Welcome back to another Vintage Coach bag tour. So here I've got an early dinky bag to share with you guys. I believe this one is likely from the 70s or 80s. I'm not sure exactly when it would have been made, but it was made in the original New York City factory, and I believe the style number would have been 9375, just in case you want to search for other ones like it online. But I know that that was a style number for dinkies in general, so this is an earlier version, but I'm assuming they're probably the same. And the way that I can tell it's an earlier version is actually the type of strap that this bag has. So it's got a double strap, and it attaches here. I'll show you. So the strap is detachable, and also it's got this cute little anchor that you see on a lot of the older Vintage Coach hardware. And then it attaches to this eyelet here. So it's a cute bag. I also have a regular, like the newer vintage or younger vintage dinky bags in the shop. So I'll go ahead and link that below just so you can kind of see the difference if you like. So the strap is how you could distinguish an early dinky bag from the younger vintage dinky bags that were, in my opinion, more common. So I'll go ahead and show you what the rest of the bag looks like. It also does have a slightly different shape than the regular dinky bag as well. It has kind of like the sides go in a little bit here, where the other dinky bag was more straight across. So the shape of the bag is also slightly different, but the main difference, the most obvious difference, would obviously be these straps here. Anyway, that's what it looks like, and then go ahead and open the bag and show you what the inside of the bag looks like. And the zipper pull is slightly different too from what I typically see on Vintage Coach bags, so that's kind of cool. Anyway, that's what it looks like. So this is actually a shoulder bag too. The other style of dinky bag is actually a crossbody bag, but this one is a shoulder bag because the straps are shorter. So anyway, I'll go ahead and insert a photo so you can see what it looks like on a mannequin. But that's about it. So I'll also link this bag below in our Etsy shop just in case you wanted to check it out further. But otherwise, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.